Okay, so I received these. They're called Veatool, I believe, and they're true wireless earbuds times 15. I'm not sure what that means, but we got to pull this out of here. Let's open the box and see what we get. This box is really does not want to open. There we go. All right, so that's the box. We've opened it. It does come with a set of instructions, I think. I don't know why they make this stuff so hard to, oh, here's open here, down here, right? All right, so there we go. It's got a lifetime warranty. And here they are. Wow. Wow, look at these things. They look pretty awesome. They look just like, believe it or not, AirPod Pros. And of course, you know, it's impossible to get them out of the... All right, so there they are. Ooh, wow. They look very nice. Super nice. I mean, these look just like the iPhone ones. Now, I do believe we're going to probably have to charge them. They've got a USB-C. All right, so to charge it, I'm just going to go ahead and shove this in there because it's a USB-C, so it doesn't matter how you put it in. It kind of, you got to snap it in. All right, so anyway, here we are. We're at 54%. So I'm just going to plug this in. We'll let this thing charge. I'm going to shove it right in there. And now it should charge. We'll come back in a little bit after it's got a good charge. All right, so anyway, we let this sit overnight. And now it's telling me I've got 100% charge in it. So let's go ahead and unplug this. And we'll see if we can hook it up to our iPhone. There we go. We'll bring it over here and set her down. All right, so to connect it, what you've got to do is get it next to your phone. You're going to open up this cap here so it's open. I'm just going to set it in here. Then I'm going to go to settings, click settings. Then I'm going to go to Bluetooth. And then it's going to search for devices. And then once it sees that, I'm just going to click that. And bam, cha-ching, we're connected. All right, let's try these bad boys out. Okay, so we are definitely connected. So let's go ahead and let's try these bad boys out. Pop this baby up. Put her in my ear. And take this one. They're magnetic too, so they don't, you know, stick it in this ear. Okay, now let's go ahead and listen to something. Here we go. Here we go. I'm listening to a video. Works good. All right, so let's say you're listening to music and you get a phone call. All right, if you want to answer it, you're going to go double tap. All right, on either of the earbuds, you can do the left or the right. If you want to reject the call, you're just going to hold down and then let go. And that's it. Okay. Next, if you want to play music, you tap once on either earbud and it plays. All right. If you want to go to a previous track, you double tap on the left earbud and it'll go to the previous track. I had to turn it off because it just, all right. Next track. If you want to do the next track, then you would just double tap on your right, like that, and then it'll play the next song. All right, so there's two ways that you turn these off. The first way is you just put them back in the case, close it, and they turn off. The second way is on the side. If you hold it for 5 seconds, it turns off. So what you're going to do is you're just going to put your finger right here, hold it for 5 seconds, and it turns off. If you look right there, that's where you do it. Right on this little button on both sides. Now you can manually turn them on by doing that too. Watch. Either one, it says. You just got to see how it turned blue. See the red? Put it in my ear. And you can turn them off the same way. So we're connected. It's telling me. There it is. It's lighting up. All right, so you can do that. And give you an idea what they look like in the ear. My old face. That's pretty much it. So if you want to turn them off. All right, so these work great. I mean, I can really hear well with them. So I'm going to say 2 thumbs up if you can get them connected to your phone, which I had a little bit of a problem, but they finally did connect. And these also have these, just like the iPhone. I mean, not the iPhone, the AirPods, or what? Yeah, AirPods. They have these things that you can pop off and change. They just come off very simply like that. And they have, let me show you. They have different sizes for your ears. There they are. Just so you can see them. All right, so this is the one that came with it. But if you want a bigger one, they've got this one here. And then they have a medium-sized one here. So they've got 3 different sizes that you can put on here. But the original one that I had was working good. So I'm just going to go ahead and smush it back on. And you just push it on like that. Very simple. And it's ready to go. So anyway, there they are. They work great. And yeah, I would recommend getting them. I mean, they're cheaper than the $250 AirPods, that's for sure. So also, just like the AirPods, I mean, they're magnetic so they don't fall out. I mean, this case is almost, it looks very much like the AirPod Pros case, but you got to kind of pull them out to get them out of there. You can see the case. Basically the same kind of design. It doesn't have the button on the back, and it doesn't have that metal thing. But I mean, hey, they're much more inexpensive. They look exactly the same, except for these are black. And to put them in, you just slide them in. Just got to make sure you get them on the right side. Just like that. See? That's it. Done. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos and stuff like this. Peace out.